Welcome. This video is for mathematics, AI, and HL and SL. The concept is nothing but what? Lines. So we are going to do all the questions right from the topics, lines, and some past paper questions for this entire particular topic, lines. Over here, we will be basically using the formulae. What are the formulae that we'll be basically using? We are going to use the formula for the gradient, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Then I'm going to use the formula for the distance. The formula for the distance is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. These are the basic two formulas from there, and also the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. These are the basic three formulas. Other formulas, as and when we come across the questions, we will be discussing them. Coming to question number 1. Find the gradient of the line segment AB. A is 2, 7 and B is 5, 11. So this point is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. The gradient formula is going to be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is 11 minus 7 by 5 minus 2, which is going to be 4 upon 3. Then write down the gradient of the perpendicular line. Part B, perpendicular line. If at all the line is perpendicular, what am I going to do? Do the reciprocal of that, 3 upon 4, and change the symbol minus. Then let M be the midpoint of the line joining AB. Find the coordinates of M. So this is A and B. A, B, M is a midpoint. Midpoint formula is nothing but what? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 2 plus 5 by 2, comma, 7 plus 11 by 2, which is nothing but what? 7 upon 2, comma, 9. That's going to be the midpoint. Find the distance between A and B. Distance between AB, formula is going to be of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is going to be square root of 5 minus 2 whole square plus 11 minus 7 whole square, which is going to be square root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16 square root of 25, which is going to be 5. Given that B is the midpoint of AC, find the coordinates of AC. So B is the midpoint of AC. A, C. B is going to be the midpoint. So what is A? 2, 7, 5, 11. 2, 7, 5, 11. What are the coordinates of this one? So this may be x2, y2, and this is x1, y1, and the midpoint is x, y. So 5, 11 equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y1 is 7 plus y2 by 2. Now equate this one. 2 plus x2 by 2 equals to 5. 2 plus x2 equals to 10. x2 equals to 8. Similarly, 7 plus y2 by 2 equals to 11. 7 plus y2 equals to 22. y2 equals to 15. So what is at point C? C is going to be 8, 15. Question number 2. The points A, B, C are given. Find the possible values of A for which the gradient of AB is 2. Gradient of AB is 2. So A, which is 3, 5, and B, A, 1. this becomes x1, y1, and this becomes x2, y2. So gradient formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is going to be 2. So negative 4 upon a minus 3 equals to 2. Do the cross multiplication. So negative 4 equals to 2a minus 6. So negative 4 plus 6 equals to 2a. 2a equals to 2. A equals to 1. This is part A. Now coming to part B. The midpoint of AB is 7, 3. So A, B, the midpoint is 7, 3. So this is 3, 5, and this is A, 1. So this becomes x1, y1, this becomes x2, y2, and this is x, y. So what am I going to do? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 equals to x, y, which is nothing but how much? 7, 3. So as such, I'm requiring it at a value. So I equate these both. 3 plus a by 2 equals to 7. 3 plus a equals to 14. A equals to 11. Now coming to part C. Find B is the midpoint of the line segment AC. So I draw line AC. B is the midpoint, which is B is the midpoint of AC. 3, 5, A1, 7 minus 3. 3, 5, A1, 7, negative 3. So this becomes x1, y1, x2, y2, and x and y. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 should be equals to a, 1. So equate these both. 10 by 2 equals to a, which makes a equals to 5. Then coming to the next question, part C done, part D. The distance between AB is 5. A is 3, 5, B is a, 1. Distance between AB equals to 5. A is 3, 5, and B is a, 1. So this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equals to 5. So it becomes a minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square equals to 5 square. When I move square to the other side, square root to the other side, it becomes square. So it becomes a minus 3 whole square plus 16 equals to 25. A minus 3 whole square equals to 25 minus 16. A minus 3 whole square equals to 9. Then a minus 3 equals to square root of 9. What is square root of 9? Square root of 9 is either positive 3 or negative 3. So a equals to 3 plus 3, a equals to 6, a equals to negative 3 plus 3, a equals to 0. Next, question number 3. Consider the line y equals to 2x plus 4. Find the gradient of the line y-intercept and x-intercept. So y equals to 2x plus 4. Y equals to 2x plus 4. Comparing with y equals to mx plus c. So gradient is 2. M is gradient. Gradient is equals to 2. Now next, y-intercept is c. So y-intercept is called c. Y-intercept is c, which is equals to 4. We can write 0, 4. Now to find the x-intercept, x-intercept means y equals to 0. Remember, substitute y equals to 0. 0 equals to 2x plus 4, 2x equals to negative 4, x equals to negative 2. So x-intercept is negative 2, 0. Draw the line on the diagram. X-intercept is -2 and y-intercept is 4. Join the line joining those 2 points. This is a straight line. Check the points 7, 19, 3, 8, 8, 20 lies on the line or not. So y equals to 2x plus 4. So 7, 9. 7, 9. Plug in 9. 9 equals to 7, 19. So 2 times 19 equals to 2 times 7 plus 4. 19 equals to 14 plus 4. 19 equals to 18. It is not possible. Not possible. So do not lie on the line. Do not lie on the line. Now, whereas the next point is 8, 20. So I'm going to take the point 8, 20. So 20 equals to 2 times 8 plus 4. 20 equals to 16 plus 4. 20 equals to 20. Yes, it does lie on the line. Question number 4. Consider the line L on the diagram. Write down the gradient of the line, y-intercept and x-intercept. So take any two perfect points. What do I mean by two perfect points? So the points which are exactly on this square. So this is one point and this is another point. So I'm taking these two perfect points. So this point is going to be 0, 5 and this point is going to be 1, 3. 0, 5 and 1, 3. 0, 5 and 1, 3. Then the gradient is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is -2 by 1, which is going to be -2. So gradient is -2. Y-intercept. Y-intercept is nothing but what? Where it does intersect the y-axis. So that is part 1. Part 2, y-intercept. Where does intersects y-axis, which is nothing but what? 0, 5. Now x-intercept. Where does it intersect x-axis? So this is a point it intersects the x-axis, which is 2.5, approximately 2.5. So part 3, x-intercept. X-intercept is going to be 2.5, 0. Write down the equation of the line in the form. So what is that equation just now we have learned? We have learned that equation is going to be part B, y equals to mx plus c. This is m and this is c. M is this one and c is this one. So y equals to -2x plus 5. Then part C. Given that 1, y, x, 1 lies on the line, write down the values of x, y. So y equals to -2x plus 5. So x, 1, y. 1, y. Plug in y equals to -2 times 1 plus 5. So y equals to 3. Then another one is nothing but x, 1. So 1 equals to -2x plus 5. -2x equals to -4. X equals to 2. Given that a minus last part, a minus 5 and 5 minus b also lies on the line, find the values of this one. So what was that? Part D, y equals to -2x plus 5. What is that point? A comma minus 5. A comma -5. So -5 equals to -2a plus 5. -2a equals to -10. A equals to 5. This time y equals to -2x plus 5. What is the point? Minus 5 comma b. Minus 5 comma b. So b equals to -2 times -5 plus 5. So b equals to 10 plus 5. B equals to 15. So that's going to be the answer. Question number 5. Find the equation of a line passing through 3, 4 and 5, 7 in the gradient intercept form. So first of all, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So A 3, 4, B 5, 7. This is called x1, y1 and x2, y2. I need to know gradient m. M formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is 7 minus 4 by 5 minus 3, which is 3 by 2. And now use that formula, y minus y1, 4 equals to 3 by 2 times x minus x1. x1 is 3. That is part A. Part B, gradient intercept form, y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to m. Just now we got m, 3 upon 2 x plus c. Now take any one point. I take 3, 4. So 4 equals to 3 upon 2, times 3 plus c. So c equals to 4 minus 9 by 2. C equals to minus 1 by 2. So what's going to be the equation? Y equals to 3 upon 2x minus 1 by 2. That is part B. Then in the form of ax plus by equals to d. So what am I going to do that? I am going to take same this equation, y equals to this equation. I'm going to take over here, y equals to 3 upon 2x minus 1 upon 2. So what does that becomes? Y equals to 3x minus 1 by 2. So it becomes 2y equals to 3x minus 1. 2y equals to 3x minus 1. Then bring 2y onto that side. 3x minus 2y equals to 1 to the other side plus 1. 3x minus 2y equals to plus 1 just by rearranging it out. That's going to be the answer. This is the answer for part C. This is the answer for part C. Question number 6. The diagram shows the line 3x plus 2y equals to 18. Points A and B are the y-intercept and x-intercepts. Then find the point A, point B, and midpoint M. M is the midpoint. Point A is on y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So substitute x equals to 0, 3 times 0 plus 2y equals to 18. 2y equals to 18, y equals to 9. So A has to be 9, 0, 9. 0, 9. Now for point B, it is on x-axis. X-axis means y equals to 0. So 3 times x plus 2 times 0 equals to 18. So 3x equals to 18, x equals to 6. So B is 6, 0. Now I want M is a midpoint. So A is 0, 9 and B is 6, 0. So what's going to be the midpoint? Midpoint M is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is nothing but what? 3, 9 by 2. Question number 7. Consider the line L with an equation y plus 2x equals to 3. L1 is parallel. Parallel means the gradients are same. Same gradients. Gradients are equal. And passes through this one. Find the gradient of L1. So y plus 2x equals to 3. So y equals to minus 2x plus 3. Comparing with y equals to mx plus c. So we can know that gradient of the line is negative 2. So gradient of L1 also will be negative 2 because parallel lines have same gradient. Parallel lines have same gradient. Next, that is part A. Coming to part B. Find the equation of the line in the form. So y equals to minus 2x plus c. But it is passing through which point? 6, negative 4. Plug in negative 4 equals to minus 2 times 6 plus c. Negative 4 plus 12 equals to c. C equals to 8. So y equals to negative 2x plus 8. Find the x coordinate of the point where L1 crosses x-axis. X-axis means y equals to 0. So 0 equals to negative 2x plus 8. So 2x equals to 8, x equals to 4. So the point is 4, 0. Draw the two lines on the diagram. So for the first line, what is the first line? Y equals to negative 2x plus 3. In order to draw the straight line, what we need to do now is we have to note minimum just 2 points. What are the 2 points? How do I know the 2 points? What is the procedure of knowing the 2 points? X, y makes once x 0, then y 0. If x is 0, y is 3. If y is 0, x becomes 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So mark these 2 points. X is 0, x is 0, y is 3. And if y is 0, x is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 over here. 3.5 is over here. Then join the straight line. Draw the straight line. Next, for the next equation, y equals to, the second equation is minus 2x plus 8. Minus 2x plus 8. We need to frame the table for that. So in order to get the straight line, what is the procedure? First, make x 0 or y 0. If x is 0, y is 8. If y is 0, what is going to be that? Minus 2x plus 8. Then 2x equals to 8, x equals to 4. So mark those 2 points. X equals to 4 and then y equals to 8. X equals to 4 and y equals to 8. I am going to get it out. But here we just need to make a correction over here. So this is 1.5. 1.5 comes over here and 3 comes over here. So draw the straight line. This is a straight line. And for this one, this is a straight line. This is going to be the straight line. We can see that both the lines are parallel to each other. And this is passing through 6, 4 also. Question number 8. Find the equation of a line passing through 2, minus 5 and 2, 8. 2, negative 5 and 2, 8. A is 2, negative 5 and 2, 8. Now we see that these two are having same x coordinates. If they are having same x coordinates, the equation will be x equals to 2. Simple to remember. If same x coordinates, if same x coordinates, the equation will be x equals to k. Now for part B, it is 6, 5 and minus 3, 5. We can clearly see that they have same y coordinates. So y equals to 5. If at all same y coordinates, if at all it is same y coordinates, y equals to k is going to be the equation. Find the point of intersection of these two. So x equals to k and y equals to k, that will be going to be the point of intersection. So 2, 5 is going to be the point of intersection, which is P. Question number 9. Find the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis, and passing to this one. Parallel to x-axis. The concept parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means it will be equals to y equals to k. Equation is y equals to k and the value of k is 3. So y equals to 3. Next time part B, parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means x equals to k. So x equals to, what is this number? 2. Then find the equation of a line passing through origin and 2, 3. So whenever it is origin, y equals to mx. Remember